everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So today I am back with my Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewscription box unboxing. So quick thumbnail. I never do those, do I? I don't know why I've decided to do it today, but anyway, it is Saturday. This actually arrived yesterday and I have waited to open it because yesterday was just incredible weather-wise. It was just so hot in here. It was 38 degrees and I was just this hot sweaty mess in the midst of wedding dress sewing, and there was no way I could tart myself up for you guys to come on and film an unboxing. So I decided to leave it and open it today. I've been working this morning, working from home, and I've just been up and spritzed my hair, so it's in the midst of drying off at the minute, and put a little bit of slap on just to make myself look presentable. I've got dressed as well, which is always a bonus. I am wearing my low key cami, that's the one, isn't it, by Pattern Emporium. I've put that on with my shorts again. It's been really dull this morning actually, which has been a welcome relief from the heat that we've been having, and so it's been overcast and very much cooler than it's been, which has just been lovely. I've just heard somebody start a lawnmower. I don't know how they're managing to cut their grass, because our grass is like a dust bowl now, to be honest, because we've had no rain for so long. But anyway, I digress. Yes, now the sun is coming out, so it's going to get a lot brighter in here, which is just typical, isn't it? But I've just sort of moved you around slightly so that hopefully there's no big shadows and streams of light and whatnot and that kind of thing. So I'm really sorry if you can hear the lawnmower in the background. Hopefully you can't. But we're going to get on with this because it's exciting, isn't it? So, Think Pink Sewscription box. Can't remember what number we are on. I get this free because I am a Sew Inspired ambassador for Andrea. And yes, which means I get to really enjoy this gorgeous box. So this month is August, which is here. I am excited to open this. We've got a sticker rock. Rainbow. Can't read it because my glasses aren't on at the moment, but it's peppermint. I mean, most rock is like minty, isn't it? I don't think I've ever had any other type of rock, to be fair, but yeah, love a sticker rock. And then we've got August QR code, which takes us to the fabulous ebook that Tamlin puts so much time and effort into every month. It says, August, this is a time for pause, for stepping back, gathering inspiration and resting your creativity. I've started seeing lots of elements of heading towards autumn with respect to fabrics, and yeah, some of our indie businesses that we love, they're all starting to think about autumn and autumnal makes and fabrics and things. I am still very much into summer, I have to say, because it is still very much summer. So I tend to not want to get ahead of the seasons, if that makes sense. So I'm still very much in the flow of summer, but I'm not sure if this is going to be an autumnal fabric choice this month. We shall see. Anyway, we have two little packages this month, which is exciting. We'll open this one first and see what's inside. What have we got in here then? Ooh, I actually have one of these, but they are really good. So this, if you don't know what this is, and they are so expensive to buy, this is a notcher. So this is for every time I film, somebody rings and interrupts me, usually my daughter. On this occasion it was my husband. Anyway, since then I started filming again, or I thought I had, didn't press record, so it's all gone to pot. So here we are. You're not getting a live unboxing anymore because I've already unboxed it and thought I'd filmed it. So anyway, it's fine. Where were we? We will go back to this, which is the pattern notcher. So basically what you do with this is, it's great for if you've traced off patterns and you want to highlight where the notches are. You can just use this little device. It's a bit like a hole punch, it's that type of thing, and it will put the notches in for you. But you can use it on fabric as well, which is amazing. So I don't know if anybody's like me, but you know, with fabric, when you are putting your notches in, you are supposed to put little triangles poking out from where the raw edge of your fabric is. You're not supposed to snip into your fabric, but let's be honest, lots of us do, don't we? And I certainly do. And the reason you're not supposed to do that is because A, it's easy to go through the seam allowance into the part that is part of your garment rather than just within the seam allowance. And also snipping into the fabric weakens it within the seam as well. So ideally you are supposed to cut out little triangles where the notches are. I used to do that years ago, actually, when I was sewing when I was about 13 at school. But yes, it's not something I do now. It's a really bad habit that I've formed. But anyway, these instead, you can use these to notch your notches in your fabric, which means that you don't run the risk of snipping too far past the seam allowance, which is always a good thing. As I say, I do have one of these already, but it will be great to have another one, which I can put into my kit for when I go to sewing socials, which is brilliant. So thank you for that. So we've got the stick of rock, we've got the pattern notcher. We also had a reel of Gutermann thread as well. And I mean, all the beautiful colours are great, aren't they? But having the sort of whites and blacks and these sort of primary colours are always really useful. This isn't a white, it's an off-white, it's colour, or is it white? It says colour 1, but that looks off-white to me. It doesn't look white. I haven't got a white one close by to show. Oh no, have I? Is this the white one? Yeah, this is a white one. Look, you can see there is a difference. So yes, love Gutermann thread. I do wish they would do more of the colours in the bigger reels, because I always find with some of the projects I like to sew that this size thread reel is never enough for my project. And you see all these people doing one at Bobbin Chicken on Instagram. I never win at Bobbin Chicken. I always end up sewing thin air basically. But yes, always love my Gutermann threads. So another one of those is brilliant. And then the other thing that we opened, we had 2 little packets, didn't we? So the Gutermann thread and the pattern notcher was in one, and in the other one was this, which is a Keep Me Safe tin. And initially I thought there was probably something inside it, but there isn't. It's empty. So when we have a look, Keep Me Safe, and open it, it's like a mini glass case, isn't it? Which is just brilliant, because what I was thinking was it would be great for things like my earbuds, because I'm always putting them down and not knowing where they are, and then trying to find them in my handbag and things like that. And you know, all those little tiny things that we have floating about that, if you're like me and you've got menopausal brain half the time, you think, where have I put them? Where have I put this? Where have I put that? A little case like that is great. Keeps things safe and secure and is easy to find. So that's unless you lose it. So that's great as well. So they were our little gifts that we got this month. And then the fabric. So I opened the fabric and this is what we've got. It is this absolutely gorgeous cotton viscose from Pomme Fabrics. And we normally get 2.5 meters in the standard subscription box. If you want more than that, I think Andrea does do one at a slightly higher price point with 4 meters of fabric in, which is really great. But I get the standard one, which is 2.5 meters of woven fabric. Sometimes she does a jersey, and I don't think we've had a jersey one for a while actually, but if it's a jersey, sometimes it's less because jersey fabrics tend to be a bit of a higher price point. But yes, we've got this beautiful cotton viscose. And what I was saying earlier to my camera that I hadn't pressed record on was that cotton viscose feels like a fairly recent new fabric base for dressmaking, because I think prior to sort of a year, 2 years ago, I never saw it as a base at all. And it's lovely because it's got the sort of handle of a cotton and a little bit more stability than a viscose, but it's still got that drape, which you don't get with a cotton. So it's lovely. It's a really nice combination, to be fair. And this is, yeah, I'll show you the selvage. It's by Pomme Fabrics. It's one of the Ecotech standard fabrics as well, which has got all those eco credentials that we all love. And the colours are gorgeous. It's this abstract print in cream. It's like an off-white with pink and blue and this teal and black sort of pebbly, spotty kind of abstract design on. It's really lovely. If I stand up, you can see it from a distance on me. And yes, there's probably about 2.5 meters here, I think. It's gorgeous. What shall I make with it? I am doing so well. Every subscription box I've got this year so far, I have made up, and I'm not going to let you down now, guys. I want to get this made up ASAP. So what shall I make? Answers on a postcard. Speaking of postcards, let's have a look at the ebook and we'll see what's inside. So let's take a look at our ebook for this month, and inside Andrea gives us another introduction to the inspiration behind this month's lovely box. So first off, she tells us a little bit about the fabric and the 3 colourways this month as well, and looking at those colourways I am super delighted with mine because it's my favourite. We've got some inspiration from ready to wear as to the type of sort of styles of garments I guess that would work really well. Then we can see what Belinda's made. She's made this absolutely gorgeous shirt, and the lovely Claire as well, she's got a different colourway. And then Vanessa, she has made some beautiful trousers in my colourway. And then we've got yours truly there in my split hem peplum tank, which was the pattern of the month last month. We've got loads of the ambassadors sharing their versions here to give you some inspiration. It really is a fabulous top, to be honest, and I'm definitely going to make some more, and it's just great seeing everybody's different versions. Then there's another feature on Hayley at Thready Set Go, which is part of the subscription, so you get access to that. And then we've got some ideas for patterns as well, which you can make with this month's fabric. So we've got quite a few different ideas there. Challenges that are happening this month: there's Becky's So Bold challenge. Laura, her gorgeous dress that she's made, it's absolutely stunning, Laura. I really like that. And then Mel as well, our lovely Mel has made beautiful shirt as well. And then finally we've got some gorgeous summer recipes, a bit of information about the tool of the month, which is the pattern notcher, and that's about it. That's the ebook, jam-packed this month, and yes, we've got 3 colourways. I am super happy with the colourway I've got. Out of the 3, this is definitely more my colours. Some beautiful inspiration of makes that some of my fellow ambassadors have made in this fabric already, which is just awesome. And yeah, the little pattern notcher works on fabric, which is just brilliant. That is going to save me so much time. And yes, this little keep me safe box, which Andrea talks about in the ebook about yeah, putting all those precious things that just languish in the bottom of your handbag in there to keep them safe, which is just brilliant. So fabulous box again this month. Let me know down in the comments what you would make with this fabric. Give me some ideas. I'm actually loving the skyline dress that is in the ebook by Sid Graham. I've had that pattern now a couple of years and I haven't made it yet, and I think that would actually look really nice in this. So that's always a contender, but I would love to hear your thoughts too. So I'm going to leave it there, guys, for this one. I hope you've enjoyed today's unboxing. I'm going to get back to wedding dress sewing now. So take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye.